is who you are, where you came from, and where you're going. Because you are an extraordinary group of people, just as Dr. Omar said. For those of you who have come from other lands, either because of your parents' migration and you were born in this country, which is probably the case for a lot of people in this room, who were actually born in this country, and this country has become their land. This country has almost entirely identified itself since the revolution as a white country. And there was a Naturalization Act in 1790 prohibiting citizenship for this country for anyone other than a white person. And the Irish just barely were able to get in the back door, because although they were considered savages by the Anglo-Saxons, they're actually whiter than the Anglo-Saxons. The Irish are pale as moons, which is why they historically were noted to drink a lot, because it reddened up their face a little bit and matched the hair. This country is a country of struggle. There's no people that have come to this country historically that have not had to struggle, including, oddly enough, the Anglo-Saxons. In 1607, if some of you remember your high school history, there was a colony founded in a place in Virginia. Virginia wasn't called Virginia before the English got there. The native peoples had their own name for that, and that's one of the odd things about this country, is that all the names of the places were changed, at least most of them. Massachusetts is actually an Indian name, and there are a few others. But Columbus, who arrived in Hispaniola, actually thought he was in Japan. And which is very interesting, because he was just lost and he was asking for directions, and he's called the discoverer of America. As if the people that were here hadn't discovered that they were actually here. So Columbus did not discover America. Columbus stumbled on to this country. And there's evidence now that it was actually seen before by a Muslim Chinese explorer in 1421. And there's a book that's just come out with extensive research on that, when the Chinese discovered America. And the head of that naval expedition was a Chinese Muslim.